I'm so excited to show you what I'm doing in the plant room right now. But let's just look outside and see what it's like. So while it's cold outside, we're growing the babies that are gonna make beautiful flowers in just a couple years. So here we go. They're all tucked in really nice. A lot of these were started in January and February. Most of these were in early January. They're doing so well. Up here, they're still germinating. And so I don't have as much fan blowing on them. And there's so much anticipation. I'm particularly excited for in the back here. Just this little one. It was the only one that germinated. There's probably 5 seeds. But it's really unusual. The parents are hard to cross together. And yeah, it's so exciting. So I'm going to be updating our growing resources so that you can see what we're doing right now to grow these on, so that they're just going to bloom as quick as they can and we'll lose so few as little babies. Because who knows which ones are going to be the best ones.